In this video, I'll show you how you can check how old your League of Legends account is. So first, there's like 3 ways that you can maybe do it. The first one would be to come into your collection right here, go to skins, and you can see right here, I have skins dating back to 2019. So this means this account is probably from 2019. I know for a fact that this is from 2019, but let's say you have a much older account and you didn't get any skins, then it might be hard to do it this way. Now the other one is you can simply open up your email and check the email connected to your account and see when your first email from League of Legends or Riot Games was, because they will have sent you an email that you made your account. Now, third option is, let me show you in just 1 second. Now, the last option is you can submit a ticket to League of Legends Riot Games, and you can just submit it and say that you want to know how old your account is. Now keep in mind, it might take a long time for them to get back to you. So if you're in a rush, this is probably not the best idea. I've sent tickets to Riot Games before and it took sometimes many weeks. So just keep that in mind. But those are 3 ways that you can potentially check when your account was created. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.